What is up, guys? Long time no content. Hopefully you guys have been having a good one. Today I've got a quick video for you. It is a car crash that I captured in Forest Lake, Minnesota on March 31st around 9 p.m. It was a T-bone accident caused by a pickup truck, which you'll see. But I'm just going to let the audio play real quick for the car crash, and then I'll pick back up and follow up with this.
What happened? Oh my god, I got it on Dashcam. Oh my god.
So as you can see, the truck failed to yield. He had a left flashing arrow, and the other car had a green light with green arrow to go straight, and he turned right into oncoming traffic, causing the woman driving the crossover to run right into his passenger side. The truck had two occupants, a male driver and a female passenger, and they believe it was just a sole occupant of the crossover. No injuries. I did pull through the intersection. I made sure to check both ways. I know there's going to be comments, why did you go through a red light, blah, blah, blah. I'm driving a 2016 Ford Police Interceptor Utility. If you don't know, that's the model that is the Explorer, or it looks like an Explorer. It actually is technically its own car, long story short. But made sure nobody needed medical. Nobody came out with any scrapes or bruises, which is really surprising. Airbags deployed, it looks like, in both cars. The pickup truck was, I believe, drivable, but they ended up getting everything towed. I put my rear lights on, so I had a traffic advisor and flashers on to make sure nobody was coming through the intersection. As you can see, all the wreckage on the pavement there in front of the car and to the side of the car. Her car was pretty screwed up. But she is standing out there in the pink or purple jacket, and I've just positioned my car where I'm blocking off so nobody can come through in that lane. So if anybody is going to get hit again, it's just going to be the back of my car. I do have a passenger in my vehicle, and she was on the phone with 911 getting them there. This was the intersection of Broadway and the on-ramp to I-35 North, the exit from I-35 North as well. But people started going through the intersection super slow. They were being cautious, which is good. For those of you wondering, yes, it's legal the way I have the lights set up in the vehicle. I can do a video on that if you guys really want to see. But I do plan on getting the front flashing lights so that in instances like this, because apparently my car is just a content magnet, more in depth on that later, but the front flashers would help to notify people on oncoming that there's something going on. But right here, I just grabbed gloves out of the back of my car and started cleaning up stuff in the road so that people could start moving through the intersection again. I did drive over it with my car. I don't recommend people doing that because the high chance of popping tires or just causing damage to your vehicle. But once again, I'm not concerned about that myself. I can fix tires. I can put new stuff on my car. I was more worried about, are they okay? And I'd rather be there and be able to assist if they do need help. I do have medical kits in my car. I want to get a fire extinguisher and a couple other things because, as you'll see in a video coming later, a fire extinguisher would have made a situation I was in the other night a lot easier. But as you can see, after I cleaned up the intersection there, cars, I was starting to have them single file and merge together because there was a pretty good backup of traffic because they didn't want to go through that intersection. But I just started having them move through. Some people were really reluctant to even go through the intersection, started getting hostile with me, and I'm like, you need to go through the intersection, like, don't block traffic, because they were completely blocking this stretch of Broadway here, headed, I believe that's westbound. So, but yeah, Dashcam caught this all. Police showed up. I believe there was, I don't know if EMS, an ambulance showed up, I can't remember. Cops took down my information. I did send in the clip to Forest Lake Police Department, so all this will get figured out with insurance. But if you guys see an accident like this or you have dash cam, I really hope you guys pull over. I do have a TikTok account now. Yeah, I've joined the trend and posted this. It did get taken down, but I posted another video, and there's a couple comments saying, why would you pull over? It's not your business. I think you guys should really be helping out in these instances. All the footage, all these witnesses are going to help in court. For this lady specifically, she definitely was in the right. Even the guy that was driving the pickup admitted, yeah, I didn't see her coming and I turned right into her. It was my fault. Let's say he hadn't said that and said that she ran through a red. Like, I've got it all on camera, which helps her. It just makes everything real easy and clear and cut. But other than that, nobody needed medical. I believe all the cars got towed out. Everybody's okay. And all this footage got submitted over to the police department. But I just figured I'd share it with you guys because it's kind of wild. But if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments down below, and I will try to respond. Also, check out my TikTok because I did post a video on there that did pretty well. I think I got 225,000 views, 30,000 likes. So we'll see if we can get that going. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. And if you want more content like this, make sure you do drop a comment down below and subscribe for more. Thanks, guys.